Hello, Kwan. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
I cannot hear. Can you speak louder, please?
Yes, I can hear you.
Nice to hear you. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay. And can you please tell me what did you do today?
I play video games, watch TV today.
Watch TV. What did you watch on TV?
I watch game show on TV.
And what is this game show about?
This game show about quiz.
About what?
This game show is about quiz.
About what? Quiz. About what?
Uh, about like a normal quiz.
Like, can you explain a little bit? What means normal quiz? What is normal quiz?
Like quiz about some knowledge and like the movie something.
Movies. Okay, so now we will have our lesson about family. Okay, our lesson is about family. What do you usually like to do with your family when you're with your family? Can you please tell me what do you usually like to do when you are with your family?
I usually talk with my family.
What do you like to do with your family?
Usually, I would usually like to play uh, talk with my family.
Oh, about what? What can you
Like
do?
school.
hmm And what other things do you usually like to do with your family when you're with your family? What other things you can do with your family? Can you please tell me what is something else
I
that you can?
also go a picnic,
Mm-hmm.
go on a picnic with my family
Because why? Because
because it can be very interesting.
okay, going on a picnic can be really interesting. Okay, very nice. Now let's see. Okay, so we will start. We have here, and can you write me how many people are there in your family? How many people do you have in your family?
There are five people in my family.
Okay, can you describe these people? Can you write me the text about your family? Can you write me 5 sentences about your family? Okay.
Okay.
Kwan, did you finished?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Kwan, did you finished?
I almost finished.
Okay. Quan, did you finished?
Yes, I finished it.
Okay, can you please read?
My mother is very nice. She often help me with my homework. My father is also pretty nice. He helped me cook, doing housework and cooking.
Hmm.
He also drive me to school. My
Brother?
mother my, my brother is my brother also can help me when I doing my homework.
Hmm. And sister? How about sister?
Uh,
Did
I,
you?
my sister, uh, I don't know. Like my sister don't help me anything.
But can you describe your sister? Can you tell me something more about your sister?
My sister is not very nice, but she can do things uh, clean the house.
And okay. Now we will start. We will start. Okay. Can you please just one moment? Can you please read? Okay, this text for me. Can you please read this text for me?
My grandmother is very lot now.
Old now. You need to change. You need to.
Oh
I
oh
was.
oh! When she was young, she's very
She
beautiful.
was very beautiful.
When she was young, she was very beautiful. She had um
Dark hair.
dark hair and brown eyes, and she was slim. My grandfather is very
Was
my grandmother was very good looking,
my
but
grandfather was okay.
my grandfather was very good looking too, but she was um fair
With blue eyes.
with blue eyes. He was very tall, about 1.80 meters. My mother is like my grandfather. She is um she is um I don't know this one.
Okay, and has blonded hair. The
And have
difference,
blonded hair. The difference is that she is
short and
short and she has brown
brown
eyes.
eyes. Okay, can you describe your grandfather? Can you tell me something more about your grandfather?
My grandfather now is very old and have white hair.
Mhm. What else can you tell me about your grandfather?
She is not very
He,
tall.
he.
He's not very tall.
Okay, more, something more.
And she used to be a
He,
soldier. He
he
used to
used
be
to
a
be a
sh-
soldier.
he used to be a
Be a
soldier.
soldier. Okay, he used to be a soldier. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, so this. Okay, so he used to be a soldier. Okay, very nice. Now, can you describe your grandmother? Can you tell me something more about your
My
grandmother?
grandmother is short and have blonde hair.
Blonde hair. What else can you tell me about your grandmother?
My grandmother used to be a teacher.
Okay. Now write me 5 sentences. What do you like to do with your grandparents? Okay.
Okay.
Kwan, I will go to the toilet, okay? Hello, Kwan?
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay, okay. Did you finish?
No, I don't.
Okay. Juan, did you finish?
I will finish.
What?
I will finish.
You didn't finish. Almost finished.
I almost finished.
Okay. Juan, did you finish?
Yes, I finished.
Okay. Can you please read?
My grandmother is very kind. She often cook me a lot of good food and often give me money. My grandfather is also very nice because he is very smart.
Mm-hmm.
I usually visit them every summer or two every 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And how often? How often? What do you like to do? For example, what do you like to do in summer with your grandfather?
I would like to talk to my grandfather.
Okay, about what? What is something that you usually like to talk about with your grandfather?
I usually like to talk about school
Because.
because there's a lot of things to talk.
Okay, and what can you talk about school? What is something that you would like to talk about school?
School, like what can I learn?
Mm-hmm.
How to my score, something like that.
Okay, and what do you like to learn about?
I would like to learn about science.
Why science? Why do you like to learn about
Because I
science?
think science is very interesting.
hmm And how often do you like to learn about science?
I usually learn science 3 times a week
3 times a week. Why 3 times a week? Why?
because there are free science lesson in 1 week.
hmm Okay, very nice. And how about some other things that you usually like to learn about? What other things do you like to learn about?
I would like to learn about math
Because
because I can learn about number.
you can learn more about numbers. Okay, very nice. Now, and what do you think? What do you think about subjects that are not interesting in your school? What subjects are not so interesting in your school?
Geography is not very interesting
And why? Why do you think so?
because I think geography is very complicated.
And if you want to visit some places, some other countries, which places would you like to visit? What are some
I
places
would like
that you would
I
like
would
to
like to
visit?
visit to England
England. Why England? Why did you choose England?
because going to England can be very interesting and I can see a lot of cool things like the Big Ben Tower.
Okay, very nice. And what can I see, for example, if I come to your country, your city? What is interesting to see in your city?
There's a lot of old town in my city
And why is that so interesting to see it?
because there's a lot of cool things and good food there.
Good food there. Okay, very nice. And how about what do you prefer more? Mountains or rivers? What do you prefer more?
I think I prefer mountain
Why mountains?
because I like the nature more than the water.
Okay, and what can you do if you go to the mountain?
I can go hiking and camping there
Camping, because
because it's a very cool. They have a lot. There can be a lot of good scenery.
scenery there is really good. Okay, now Kwan, we finished our class. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. See you on Sunday. Bye bye.
Bye bye.